welcome again to Wendy Styles. A wonderful Tuesday to you watching. My returning subscribers and my new subscribers, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I want to show you guys haircut from Antonio. Antonio is with Paul the barber and he's based in Trinidad Tobago. He's another good guy that knows his onion, he knows what he's doing, and you can see even on the screen they use the MIELLE product. He uses the MIELLE leave-in conditioner, the MIELLE shampoo, the MIELLE deep conditioner, to achieve all this beautiful haircut on your screen. And one thing about cuts, cuts by Antonio is that he uses the best product. MIELLE product is one good product that will give you that shine you want. Is a certified organic product that comes with a leave-in conditioner. Like the leave-in conditioner is about $12, and this leave-in conditioner comes in different kits. Like we have the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. It's just like a moisturizing coil primer, and it costs for $12. And we also have another leave-in conditioner, like is a different product, so it comes with this mint rosemary mint straightening leave-in conditioner. This one helps in supporting hair, straightening hair, and this particular one is the one that has that green label, and it costs for $9. Then this other leave-in conditioner, which I'm aware of, I don't know if I've tried it once. They said it has, because when I check it there, what attracted me to it was when they said it's sulfate free. So it has this white printing sulfate free leave-in. It's a leave-in conditioner too, and it's color safe. It's also same price for the mint strengthening leave-in conditioner. Because one thing I love about the mint is that mint, fragrance I always get from it. So apart from the leave-in conditioner, this MIELLE also comes in the moisturizing cream, like the deep conditioner, that helps in giving your hair that good look you want. So all the prices comes within $12. Like the Barber Suit and Meat deep conditioner is about $11, while the other ones I'll be talking about is the $9. So these prices, you can see, you can get them within your shop. You can go to Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, any online shop. You can get this MIELLE product because it's what you use is in achieving all the scores on your screen. So I would advise you guys to use MIELLE kit because it comes in different styling kits. Apart from the leave-in conditioner, they have the nourishing leave-in conditioner, they have the moisturizing cream, and so many of them, coming in different colors. Some of them has the rosemary mint conditioner. So everything just depends on the particular one you want. They also have the one for those that have long hairs. So I would advise you guys to go for it because it will really give you the popping coils you want. Another product again I can talk about is the dogs, the cow's daughter, many more, because this few I always call is the one I know I've used before, and it's the nicest of all that I know I've used. So that's why I can recommend it to you. But other product I can't really tell because I've not used them. But this detox, the cancer kit, the MIELLE, and the cow's daughter, I've used it with that koi sauce is what I'm still on. So it's giving me what
never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so you deserve. He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep